sorry, I'm just checking myself out because I think that I like what I'm seeing. Okay, I genuinely like it. Anyways, I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're living life and just being happy. Okay, because what is the essence of living life and you're not happy? So please try and find something that makes you happy. Just do that. Just do that. Just be happy. Okay, so the album that we are reviewing is called The Prodigal by Mr P. So who's Mr P, Args? Who's Mr P? Who is it? So Mr P is one of the P-Sqaures. Okay, he's Peter from the P-Sqaure duo. Okay, so he has an album called The Prodigal, and P-Sqaure, they've been going on and off for some years now. They officially called it quit. They said no more P-Sqaure, we are done, we are finished. So over time, Mr P has been making songs. He has some really nice songs. I really like Ebano Internationally. I like that one. I like the one he did with Simmy. Like, he's been making songs here and there, so he's been doing bits. And then you have Rude Boy on the other hand. Rude Boy is also doing amazingly well. Okay, so they're both giving us hits on different ends. So if you're looking for P-Sqaure, I guess you can still listen to their songs. Before doing this video, I haven't actually listened to any interviews that he's done to promote the album. When the album came out, the album has been out for time. Okay, the album has been out for a while now, but I wasn't so keen on listening to the album because I didn't know what to expect. Okay, a couple of weeks back, like in April, I did listen to the album, but I want to give it another try. I want to listen to it again with you guys and basically give my opinion. Okay, so I want to listen to it with a fresh mind, fresh everything. So let's just assume that this is my first time listening to the songs, but I do know there's a couple ones that I like. Album has 16 songs. Okay, it has a lot of big names. It features Tiwa Savage, it features Simmy, Tenny, it features some people that I don't know, One Day Co. Let's just get right into it. So the first song is called Odo. I think it probably has like a Ghanaian undertone, but she says she go follow me. You wanna wake up next to me just tonight. Okay. Baby, make you open the door. If you with me, it's alright. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. I give you love in no door. Open up the door, my door. Okay, Mr. P. Okay, I like that song. I like it. Number two is called Paloma. Okay, and it's featuring Singer. Let's have a listen. My Paloma, she fire. I should be my desire. My girl, you know the time. Mi corazón. Please don't let go. Come close, make you hold me, girl. Mi corazón, baby. Don't let go, baby. My Paloma. Okay. I think I got it now. My Paloma. Okay. Paloma, whoever you are, baby, you're doing something because these guys are out here calling you because, hello, do you want to be like Paloma because you want to get the guys? Anyways, so this song is nice. It's nice. So how come I didn't like it at the beginning? How come the first time I listened to it, I thought it was quite boring when I first listened to it. Interesting. Number three. Number three is called I Do featuring Tiwa Savage. A long intro, but can you hear the P-Sqaure vibe? Because I can hear it a little bit. Would you say I do? He wants to marriage. I said it. I said it. Okay, so this is a wedding song. This is a love song. I think the three that we've heard so far, they are love songs. Okay. Interesting. Would you say I do because he wants to marriage? Honestly, I'm getting like a really cool vibe, really chilled vibe from these songs so far. That's what I'm getting. Number four, boyfriend. Baby, it's you day and weekend. Where am I love you be different? Hope that you love me, no pretend to give up on you. Oh baby, 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 oh mama. Man be your done dada, baby, no lady. Two fingers in the air for my baby. Two fingers. I just wanna be way more than just a boyfriend. Lover. I just wanna be way more than just a boyfriend. Lover. Okay, okay. Number five. This one is featuring Mohombi. Featuring Mohombi. Do you get me? Mohombi. It's called Just Like That. We became lovers. I like this one. I like this one. Woke up without you. Life became harder. Just like that. Nights became longer. Just like that. You and me. Do you still think about hey? Like I do. Whenever you with somebody. Cause I do. But it's really. This reminds me of old Nollywood. It reminds me of old Nollywood when they're in the club, you know. It gives me do as I do, as I do, as I do, as I do, do. He could have wrote that song, you know. Who knows? But I like this one, Just Like That. Good as what I had with you. And we go back to the days when we remember when I met you. Just like that. We became lovers. Just like that. We meant to be forever. Just like that. I woke up with just like that. Okay. If you can do like those whining ways, like this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. I know you're gonna think I keep saying all the songs are nice, but all the songs are nice. They are all nice so far. Maybe I was being salty. Was I being salty the first time I listened to the album? I probably was. I don't know. But this one is nice. So the next one is called I Love You, featuring Tenny, Simmy, and Tamar Braxton. It's not bad. I love Simmy. I love Simmy. I love Simmy. I love. Obimu. He spoke Igbo. He spoke Igbo. He spoke Igbo. Obim. If you guys don't know, you know P-Sqaure, they're Igbos, right? You guys know that. Do you know that? You know that. And you know anything Igbo na masem. Anything Igbo, they do me polena like anything Igbo sweet my body. Obim. Oh, I love it. Anyways, continue. Okay, I think I've had enough. This one, I'm a bit underwhelmed. Because it has Tenny, Simmy, Tamar, Braxton, all these big names, and it's not doing it for me. Like, it's not doing it for me. Maybe if I listen to it again, I will like it. But I think it's probably one of those songs that will grow, that you have to listen over time and it will grow on you. I believe this one is called I Know Like Trouble. Nobody does. Nobody likes trouble. I know like trouble. If I get money, then go talk. If I don't get money, then go talk. And if I buy motor, then go talk. If I don't buy motor, then go still talk. A person go do as the money they enter. As you see me, so I know like trouble. This one is nice. This one is addressed to his haters. Why do you have his name in your mouth? Why? He wants his asking you why. Why are you talking about him? Is he making you money? He doesn't like trouble, so face your front. Don't bring bad energy to him. Okay, so the next song is called Prodigal, featuring DJ Switch. So I'm guessing this is the cocoa of the matter. I said prodigal. He says prodigal. Prodigal. But when it calm down, when you had a good to make it calm down. It's not bad. When I come to rock on your radio, we they give it this on the stereo. Make the DJ make the people come the bendo. I like it. It's not bad. But when it calm down, when you had a good to make it calm down. Smooth Criminal number 9. No put the sign for my guy. Don't do that. It's not nice. I'm already Braxton, you know it. I like this one. The last song is called Follow My Lead, featuring Wonderco. Anybody want to try to bleed? You're me, I need is a love, girl, I'm in need. First of all, you have to give it to Uncle, okay? You have to give it to him because he gave us an album, okay? It's not easy. So because of that, well done. It's not easy to come up with a project like this. 16 songs. I would say from the first to number 1 to 9, I really enjoy it. I Love You, I will go back and listen to it again because I want to love that song. I actually want to like that song. From number 10 to 16, no, from number 10 to 15, I don't know how I feel about the songs. I guess they're nice, but I don't know how I feel in terms of, yeah, I drifted. I wasn't feeling the same vibe anymore. Follow My Lead, the last one with Wonderco, I like that one. It's a really nice song, but all in all, yeah, I think that's a really good project. The cover is Mr. P and he's wearing the glasses. Is that like a tunnel vision, like seeing the future? Is he seeing to the future? Like he's the future of, could he be the future of music? You know, I see the in between. So is it like a robot and then on the other end you see a face? So could it be like he's a working machine, and it has the prodigal on, or he said the prodigal, he has the prodigal on the end. So it's a nice project. It's a very nice project. I will listen to it again. I'll give myself time to actually like it. I'll give myself time to enjoy the song more. I'll listen to it more, and you know, I think he did well. Not even I think, my guy did well. Okay, he did incredibly well with this project. It's not easy, especially if you've done it with your brother for, or your brothers for so many years, and then now you're out there, you know, putting yourself out there and doing this yourself. It's not easy, so you have to give it to him. And incredible, like, he's an amazing artist, first of all, and this is a good, it's good. And I hope he continues, you know, giving us songs, giving us music. And I listen to I think I like that one. Let's finish up with that one. So basically that is it. I will end the video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Go and support Mr. P. He is an amazing artist. As you can tell, he is incredible. He knows what he's doing. He's been in the industry for so many years with his brother, but now he is out here doing it by himself. So let's support our own. Let's support the P-Sqaure brand, because I feel like at the end of the day, they're still the P-Sqaure brand. Like, no matter how much they try to separate themselves from it, it's their legacy. Okay, they cannot run away from it. So, you know, support them doing individual projects. That is actually a win-win for everybody, because we are getting double portion, you know what I'm saying? Album is called The Prodigal. You guys have heard of the prodigal son. Okay, so if you're religious, you should be familiar with the story, the parable of the prodigal son. So is when Jesus told the story of a young man who asked for his father's inheritance, who asked for his inheritance from his father. His father gave it to him, and he went away, squandered it, partied, did everything, living his baby boy lifestyle, just living life, you know, chopping life. But eventually life started chopping him. So as life was chopping him, my guy was struggling out here in the streets. Okay, he ring, hello daddy. I don't tire, daddy, my money don't finish. And you know, the father welcomed him back, and they're happy. But obviously, you know, in the story that the son that stayed back was not very happy about his father grand welcome of the son that ran away. Let's bring it back to the situation at hand. Okay, so the situation at hand is that P-Sqaure is no more. So P-Sqaure is done out here. P-Sqaure is finished. Even though we're still vibing to their songs, I will still vibe to their songs in 10 years time. Okay, but so Mr. P named his album Prodigal. I mean, could it be that we should anticipate a return of P-Sqaure in the near future? You know, I like to analyze things. I like to understand the meaning of things. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with at least one person. Okay, at least one person. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.